Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Buick Lacrosse headlight. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood to get ready for the next steps. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's get to the bulb. Find the retaining screws or clips that hold the headlight assembly in place and carefully remove them. Once those are out, gently pull the entire assembly forward to release it from its mounting. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. This gives you clear access for the next step. With the assembly free, it's time to swap the bulb. Carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. When handling the new bulb, remember to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing and twist it clockwise until it's securely in place. Almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it firmly with the retaining screws or clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.